So hi friends, so this is the part B class for the Ubuntu installation. So the previous video, because of the internet issues, the video was closed. So the continued video is part B. Is this? In this video, I will explain. So what is the installation process of VirtualBox? So we have seen the overall execution of the Ubuntu, right? We have seen the software and all the installations and all the things. So step one, where we begin with the installation process, we need to download iOS for Ubuntu. For that, all the versions of Ubuntu are available official. So we have installed, and in the step two, open VirtualBox and click the new button. We have clicked the new button, right? And step three, give a name to your virtual machine and select the location for it. And we have given the name and we have selected the VirtualBox machine folder. And we have assigned the RAM size to your virtual machine and create a virtual disk for machine to store files. So we have stored, so we did not see this option, right? So after doing this thing, we will be having this create virtual hard disk now. So we have to click this and create now. And after that, select the type of hard disk using media type is recommended. So we have to take virtual box disk image and we have to click next. Either of the physical storage types can be selected using the dynamically allocated disk is by the default recommended. So we have to click on the dynamically allocated and click next and select disk size and provide the destination folder to install. So we have to create the destination folder and we have to put create, and after disk creation is done, would the virtual machine begin the installing Ubuntu. So we have done all these things and we have started, right? So this step onward, we have get the some errors. So we have we have to get the start button, and after the starting button, you will be having this Ubuntu. In this, we are having 2.29 GB, right? Now we are having 4.45. So we have to just start it, and the web page will be the interface will be like this. And after that, we have to do the install Ubuntu, and after that, we have to do we have to uh, select the type of keyboard we want, and we have to do continue. And after that, so after this thing, you will get this pop-up. So here we have like our video got disconnected in the previous video. So after that, clicking continue, you'll be having the normal installation. So you can uh, like you can choose the updates manually. If you unselect this thing, you will get the updates manually, and you can install it again. I recommend to uncheck this thing and check this normal installation and do continue. And after that, I click on the add disk install Ubuntu and click install now. And you'll getting some pop here and click on continue and choose the location like where you are locating in India or another country or another state. So after that, I will have to choose some name. Yes, choose some name, and you have to put some password. Like require my password to log in. So whenever you want to do login to your software, like you have to put some password, your file password. Your password should contain numbers, alphabets, and special symbols. So that you can your password will be quite strong password. After the installation process completed, and then it will last restart now, and restart after restarting, the overall Ubuntu program will be like this. Sorry, Ubuntu software will be like this. So, so in the next video, I will explain what are the uh, different browsers and terminals are there in this Ubuntu software. So I hope you understand how to install Ubuntu using VirtualBox. Yeah, friends, if you find this video is helpful for you, please like it and please share it to your friends so that they can be benefited from this video. And please subscribe to my channel and please ring the bell icon so then only you will get the notification, or otherwise you will not get the notification. Thank you, friends.